All right, it's Monday. It means we're tying knots. And today, we're tying a bowline. All right, so a bowline is a knot that you're gonna use whenever you need to put a loop into the end of a line. Now, super quick, super simple to tie. To create a bowline, we're gonna start by forming a loop towards the standing end of our line. Then we're gonna take the working end of our line, come up through the loop, come around the standing end of the line, and then come back down through the loop. Then we'll pull everything tight, and you've got a bowline. Super quick, super easy. I hope that was helpful. Hit like if you like this, hit subscribe if you wanna see more, and I will see you guys for the next Knot Monday.